In today's video, I'll show you how to create a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet in your dashboard. This technique helps you design cleaner, more customized dashboards that are easy to read and visually appealing. Let's get started. First, open Tableau desktop or access Tableau online through your browser. Once you're logged in, open your workbook and create a new worksheet. This will serve as your custom legend. Now, drag the dimension you want to use as your legend label from the radar pane to the columns shelf. For example, if you're working with category or sales type, place that field here. This automatically arranges your legend values horizontally across the view, exactly what we want. Next, drag the same dimension onto the color mark in the marks card. Tableau will instantly assign a unique color to each value, turning your sheet into a fully functional legend. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau guides every week. Once your legend is built, right-click anywhere on the sheet and choose Format to customize the look. Here, you can adjust fonts, colors and alignment to match your dashboard's theme. Now it's time to add this legend to your dashboard. Navigate to the Dashboard tab, then drag a horizontal layout container from the Objects section onto your canvas. This container will maintain your legend's horizontal layout. Finally, drag your newly created legend sheet into the horizontal container. You can resize and reposition it for the perfect fit. If needed, return to the Format menu to tweak colors or fonts for consistency across your design. And that's it. You've just created a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet. A simple but powerful technique to make your dashboards more professional and user-friendly. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Tableau tutorials to help you design smarter, faster and more beautiful dashboards.